Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's OP video update for Tuesday 9th of August. And it seems like we did not have the flat ABC correction. All right, so there was a stop loss that was given at 1.797. It seems like it ran down to that stop loss right over there. And the idea about the fifth wave of a bigger C correction is what was really there. So they really got us confused at this point in time, right? So it actually went to the top part of the A correction actually, and you know what? If you do count the wicks here, you try to take the upper wick of the A correction. So this is like the B, right? And now we're heading for that C correction. So initially, what I talked about 2-3 days ago seems like that's what's going to happen, right? So I actually thought for a moment like this was the A, the B, and that was the C correction right there. This one like this, A, B, C, and then they were trying to put up with the flat ABC correction and then try to move higher. But, they try to break it down here, and now we're heading for that C correction. So it's still healthy. It's still healthy. You do come down wherever the C correction really is. That's still healthy. Now, for me, the biggest trouble is going to be when you lose 1.363, okay? Just having this correction down here, I just think it's healthy for the market, okay? Having that correction down here somewhere and then later on move to the upside, amazing, perfect. The reason why I say it's still okay is because of the weekly does have this, three white soldiers at the moment. So we cannot ignore the three white soldiers, and that's a continuation pattern that is not invalidated. Now, the invalidation happens when you do come to 0.577, but that's a very long way down, okay? So that's really, really long way down. We don't want to trade something with the huge stop loss down here. Like, if you do go down there, then you're looking for nearly 69-68%, and that's ridiculous, all right? So that's really ridiculous. You don't want to do that. Anyways, if you do dive into the daily instead, what I'm looking forward to, is this thing here for that C correction down there. So what I want to say is, you might be looking to come down to this resistance point that I draw before, right? So that trend line right there is where you might be looking to bottom out, and that actually takes you all the way down to 1.463. Somewhere here you might bottom out and then start to continue to the upside. Or we can just use the fib retracement of where the C correction is going to end towards. So right now, at the moment you're holding the 0.5, maybe the C correction can be down here to the 1.647. If you're looking to head lower, then it's going to be 1.5 and 1.6. So do follow the targets on the fib retracement. This is going to be the first level that you might be considering to hold next. Or if you do look to have a nasty one to the downside, then we're talking about the 1.516. All in all, you don't want to lose 1.36, right? If you lose the 1.36 and close below this level, that can be a little bit of trouble, and you're going to be creating something known as a reversal wave, and you're going to be coming down to $1.066, and then from here you might bounce back up. And that's it for today's update on OP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.